Good morning, students. Today we'll start chapter 12, that is reproduction in plants. Okay, and I hope you have understand nicely that chapter 11 because I didn't get any query regarding that chapter. Okay, so now we'll start chapter 12 and read your chapter. Okay, before watching this video and then watch the video. Okay, and again I'm saying if you are having any query related to any topic, then you can write. Okay, so we'll start now. Reproduction. As you know that re means again and again. Okay, re. If we see this re means again and again, and production means किसी भी चीज को प्रोड्यूस करना. You know very well this term. So reproduction means the production of new individuals from their parents. अपने पेरेंट्स के जैसे ही नए इंडिविजुअल्स का प्रोडक्शन होना. That process is called reproduction. Understand? So now we'll try to understand this flow chart. I have taken it from your book only, from page number 139. Okay, so from this, yes, mode of reproduction in plants. Okay, what is our chapter? Reproduction in plants. So we'll see the mode of reproduction in plants only. Okay, so there are two type of reproductions. Okay, two type of reproductions. First, asexual reproduction. Second, sexual reproduction. Understand? So these terms you read from your book also, and I'm explaining here as well as, and learn the terms. Okay beta, and spellings also. Then you will if you understand this flow chart nicely, then full chapter you can, it is easy to understand. So asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, that are two type of reproduction in plants also. Understand? So first of all, that asexual reproduction, what is this and how many type of this? Yeah, what will happen in this type of reproduction? Asexual reproduction, these are budding, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation. Okay, asexual reproडक्शन कितने टाइप का होगा? चार टाइप का होगा. बडिंग, फ्रेगमेंटेशन, स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. ये रिप्रोडक्शन किस कैटेगरी में आएंगे? असेक्सुअल reproduction. Understand? With definition and example I will explain you from the book also. So first of all, try to understand this chart. Okay, the mode of reproductions are two type. One is asexual reproduction and two is sexual reproduction. Now asexual reproduction again categorized in four type. One, budding. Two, fragmentation. Three, spore formation. And four, vegetative propagation. Understand? Now again, vegetative propagation, that is also called vegetative reproduction, is also divided into two parts: natural method and artificial method. Okay, how many parts? Two parts. Okay, one is natural method and second is artificial method. Okay, these are very easy to learn also. Okay, now again if we see natural method, you also practice it in your home also many time. Okay, from childhood to now. So in natural method what we do, like by root, okay, by underground stem, aerial stem, leaves, these are natural method. जब हम इन method से किसी भी plants को grow करते हैं, उगाते हैं, okay, that is called what? Natural method. And other one is artificial method. When we are using this type of method, that is called artificial method, like cutting, okay, and cutting, layering, grafting, tissue culture, okay, these are called artificial method. Understand? So now again will come on reproduction. What is reproduction? Okay, in reproduction I have just now I have explained to you is the production of new individuals from their parents. Okay, so the vegetative parts of plants are the roots, stem and leaves. The part of plant that is roots, stem and leaves are called vegetative part. Okay, vegetative part, root, stem and leaves. And reproductive parts, what are the reproductive part in plant? uh, in reproductive parts, that are the flowers, okay, where the reproductive part found in the plant, that is flower. Okay, in flower that is found. In plant there are two main type of reproduction, और किसी भी फ्लावर में दो तरह के reproduction होंगे. They are sexual reproduction और asexual. Okay, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. ठीक है. In plant there are two main type of reproduction. There are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Understand? Now we'll see the definition of sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. First of all, asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new plants without the help of seed. कोई भी प्लांट जब बिना सीड के पैदा होता है या बनाया जाता है, ओके, प्रोड्यूस होता है, राइट टर्म इज प्रोड्यूस होना. ओके, सो व्हेन without the help of seed, reproduce new plants. Okay, it is called asexual reproduction. Understand? In asexual reproduction, new plants without the help of seed, बिना seed के नया plants जब बन जाता है, that is called asexual reproduction. Now sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, new plants are produced from seeds. Okay, understand the terms? New plants are produced from seed. That type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. Understand? So today in this video we'll learn here only the term of reproduction and the modes of reproduction with the flow chart. And now we have learned about the definition about what is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In next video we'll read the categorization of asexual reproduction. Okay, so now till here I will finish the video. I will complete this video, and now tomorrow I will explain the categorization of asexual reproduction. So be ready to learn about that. Until that, watch the video nicely, like it and share also, subscribe also. Then thank you very much. God bless you all.